Hello everyone. Today we will change the uh, middle bushings for the Spider. Oh, we will not change them. We will add to them those inserts. So the purpose of the video will be, will they increase the vibration and the roughness of the car or no? I bought those from Monkey Wrench Racing. I don't know why they keep putting this Jolly Rancher. Anyways, they have a great service really. If you are an owner of a MR2 Spider, you have to order from them. So if you are wondering, I bought the two bushing, the one in the back and the one in the middle. So the middle, which is let's say responsible for 50% of holding the engine, is located here. It's located here in the middle of the car. It's located here under this tray. Let me zoom. As you see, we removed the cover. This is the motor mount. There is the 3 bolts and the bolts in the middle. It's very straightforward to remove it. So finally we removed the engine mount. So there is some text here. If you can see them, let me take them to the sun. If you notice, there is some text here, like it's saying F. I think this side supposed to be going with this side where there is FX here, and there is, if you notice, FX here. So this will go like this and the other one will go the other side, and these two will be for the back rear mount. So finally we installed the transmission mount. So this is how it will look like. Damn, those bolts need really some effort. So I drove the car after changing only the front transmission mount, the mount that is located in the middle of the car. The car is not rough. It's just a little bit, let's say only by 10 to 15%, it's more rough than before. The movement when you accelerate is much less. It's not much less now, like let's say 50% less. So, but the comfy of the old ride with the OEM bushing is still there, so there is no compromise. Thank you for watching.